Hey everyone, I'm going to take you through the painting process, sped up a little bit so that you don't get bored to tears. So this is me painting my dragonflies. The only thing is I'd already started this painting before I decided to record it. So you're going to see the canvas is already laid down with the background, which is just like a bit of antique gold with some tree silhouettes like branches and stuff. So I'm going to begin the video by putting in the dragonflies and the details. Enjoy. Seeing I'm new to this whole video thing, I recorded like stage 2 of my dragonflies, which was filling in like some detail on the wings and the bodies with alcohol markers. And my phone crashed, so I'm afraid I lost that footage. So I am going to pick up now and do the detail, well, not the detail, but the overlays of the wings now with the sort of pearlescent paint, like a pearlescent paint that I use. So yeah, you're going to notice that the dragonflies are already colored in, and I did record it, but it got lost, so sorry.